Don't bite me!
Get the off of
Turn
me!
around!
On February 23, Mandolin Schaffer-Brockwell, 37, allegedly assaulted 2 victims and a police officer. Schaffer-Brockwell allegedly punched a pregnant woman in the face inside her car. She is also accused of attacking an elderly woman and biting a police officer's arm during the arrest. In a video released, Schaffer-Brockwell is seen jumping on the hood of a white SUV, opening the car door and punching the person in the driver's seat. She is then seen attacking a woman on the side of the road and later biting a police officer's arm while on the ground as officers handcuff her. Video shows the suspect, Mandolin Schaffer-Brockwell, attacking and injuring an elderly victim. The victim provided a description of Schaffer-Brockwell and her vehicle, and an officer quickly located her. When the officer attempted to detain her, she refused to comply, violently resisted, and bit the officer while trying to avoid being handcuffed. The police continued. Schaffer-Brockwell was eventually arrested and taken into custody. According to a police report, Asti, the pregnant driver whom Schaffer-Brockwell allegedly punched, said that she kept stopping short distances in front of her. She honked her car and attempted to change lanes to get away from Schaffer-Brockwell. The suspect then cut 2 lanes of traffic before getting out of her vehicle. "Honk at me again." Expletive. Police allege Schaffer-Brockwell said to the pregnant woman. She then allegedly jumped on the hood of her vehicle, opened the driver's car door and hit and punched the woman. In a 911 call made by the driver, she said, "A woman just assaulted me in my car." The alleged victim told authorities that she had a child with her in the car at the time of the attack. A 68-year-old woman who witnessed the incident left her vehicle to help. Police claim Schaffer-Brockwell said, "Get back in your expletive car," and allegedly scratched and hit her face, according to the report.
Putting you in cuffs, you're gonna be detained until I determine otherwise. You understand?
I'll play the on, no.
Don't resist me.
Tell me why. Tell me why. First of all, tell me why.
Don't resist.
Tell me why.
You're being held for battery. Okay.
Battery?
Do not hold. Do not resist.
The I am. The
Don't bite me.
Get the off of
Turn
me.
around.
Step in there, I'll buckle you in, okay? Yeah.